Starting a side hustle in 2025 sounds like a no-brainer, right? But here's the catch. You might be setting yourself for frustration if you don't know about the bigger picture. You're probably asking, what are the risks involved that I need to know? How can I make sure that my side hustle will work in 2025's economy? What's the secret to creating sustainable passive income? Do side hustles still work, or is there something better? In the next 15 minutes, I'll break it all down for you. How to avoid the traps that most people fall into, and how to build stream of incomes that actually work for you, and why the goal isn't just a side hustle, but a sustainable passive income. Let's dive in. Here's the truth: side hustles aren't bad, they are just misunderstood. The problem isn't the idea of side hustles itself, the problem is how people approach them. Most people jump into side hustles with two things. First, unrealistic expectations and no strategy. They think I'll start they think I'll start this and make money quickly. But in 2025, it's not about how quickly you make money, it's about building something sustainable, something meaningful. Let me give an example. Let's say dropshipping. Dropshipping is still profitable, but the competition has skyrocketed. If you don't have a proper niche, a proper brand strategy, you will not sustain. You will burn out easily. It's not like 2016 where you are trying out multiple products in a single store. It's not like that in 2025. So the first step is to have a proper strategy, how you gonna work on it. And it's not just dropshipping, it's about be it content creation, be it freelancing. If you wanna grow, you should have a strategy first. The success in side hustles isn't about speed, it's about strategy. Here is something most people don't realize. Not all side hustles are passive income. In fact, most side hustles are active. They demand your time and energy. But what if you could create income streams that will work for you while you're sleeping? That's where passive income comes in. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. And here are some examples of passive income in 2025. The first great method of building a passive income is creating digital products. You can create an online course or an ebook or design a template on platform like Notion and sell them online so that people can buy it over and over again. The second great method of earning passive income is affiliate marketing. Build a platform where you can recommend products which you have tried or which you love and earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. And the third one is investing in dividend stocks or real estate. This one is not those get rich quick method, but over time it generates a passive income with minimum efforts. And here is the key: you don't have to quit your existing job or abandon your current side hustles to do this. Think of passive income as planting seeds today for an harvest tomorrow. You might be wondering, do I have to choose between side hustle and passive income? The answer is no. You can do both, but they should complement with each other. Here is how. Start a side hustles to build an active income first. Gain some experience in those skills or niche, then use those profits from your side hustles to invest in passive income streams. For example, let's say you're freelancing as a graphic designer. You are earning an active income, but in the process, you could create and design templates and sell them online. The active hustles or job pays your bill today, and passive streams build your wealth for tomorrow. This approach balances short-term cash flow with the long-term financial stability. In 2025, it's not about what you do it, it's about how you do it. To thrive, you need to focus on three things. First, leverage technology. AI tools like ChatGPT and automation platforms can save you time and scale your efforts. Use them to streamline tasks, whether it's creating content, managing clients, or building products. Second, choose evergreen niches. Focus on industries that will grow over time, like health, personal finance, or education. These niches gives you stability and room to expand. Third, learn high income skills like copywriting, coding, video editing, or sales will always be in demand. Master any one of these and you will have endless opportunities for active and passive incomes. Combine these strategies with the mindset of building systems, not just hustles, and you will be miles ahead of the competition. Let's make this simple. If you're new to side hustles or passive income, don't overcomplicate it. Instead, just start with one thing. Here's a quick plan. First, identify what excites you, whether it's creating content online, or designing, or help others solving problems. Second, pick one active side hustles to start generating income. Third, set aside 20% of that income to invest in passive streams, like an index fund or learning new skill or a digital product. Remember friends, it's not about doing everything at once, it's about building systems step by step. So think big and start small. Start today.